After weeks of quiet, Beetle County in South Dakota is once again spiking with coronavirus cases. We have the details coming up.
And one casino is preparing to reopen to the public. What precautions they're taking to keep employees and guests safe coming up. Good morning, this is Kelly Land on the go with all you need to know in news and weather as you start your day.
4 more South Dakotans have died from COVID-19, bringing the state's total to 54. They were from Brown County, Todd County, and 2 from Minnehaha County. One victim was in their 30s.
There were also 57 new positive cases announced, bringing the state's total throughout the pandemic to more than 4,700. Just over 1,000 of those cases are currently active. More than 3,600 people have recovered from the virus. New numbers are expected later this morning. After one of the first outbreaks of coronavirus and 2 deaths, the Huron area dropped down to no new cases of COVID-19 and held there for nearly 6 weeks.
But now Beetle County has spiked once again with 150 cases. At least 3 Huron students and some of their parents are among them. The school district is taking every precaution in collecting students' materials as classes end this week. They're collecting all the materials outside in plastic containers that will be brought into the building and put away at a later date.
Nobody has handled materials in this district, including freight that comes in, until it sits for 48 hours.
The meatpacking plant in Huron, Dakota Provisions, now has 16 cases among its employees. The company is paying employees to stay home if they're sick and taking necessary precautions inside the plant, including requiring workers to wash their hands, wear masks, and social distance. Turning now to weather, Wednesday proved to be a gorgeous day.
But will the warm temps stick around? Let's find out with meteorologist Scott Munt. Good morning, Scott.
Well, good morning, you two. Good morning, Kettle Land. It looks like we'll have cooler temperatures for today, and I think this cooling trend will continue into at least the first half of the weekend. Then we'll slowly get out of this by the time we get into Sunday, and then next week, I think our numbers will eventually start to take off. I think the coolest day will end up being Saturday. Temperatures in the 60s with thick cloud cover. And then after that, numbers will warm again. 80 to 90 degree weather may be in the works here for early next week, especially in the western and central South Dakota. We'll have more details on the Kettle Land Live DOPPLER forecast coming up.
Thanks, Scott. Authorities in Pennington County are waiting on autopsy results. This comes after someone potentially found the body of Larry Genslinger. Investigators say someone was repairing fence in the Deerfield Lake area when they noticed the body.
It's about 2 miles north of Genslinger's last known location. Genslinger was last seen on October 1st of 2019 while elk hunting with his nephew. Multiple agencies logged nearly 2,500 miles in their search.
We're just happy that the family is finally able to get some closure. That was the ultimate goal, is why we kept going out there as often as we did, because we wanted to bring the family the closure that they deserved.
Based on his clothing, physical description, and location, authorities believe it is Larry Genslinger. A Sioux Falls real estate company is providing clients with safe storage of their prescription meds so they don't fall into the wrong hands. Keller Williams is teaming with Prairie View Prevention and offering free lockboxes to families listing their homes for sale.
Homeowners place their medications in the boxes as a precaution against people stealing the drugs during open houses.
Here's a way for you to secure that, so that when we have an open house and when we have showings of your listing, that you are keeping your medications secure and you're also protecting those who are looking at your home.
Offering the free lockboxes comes at a critical time. Prairie View Prevention says they're seeing an increase in addiction-related problems during the pandemic. A Keller Land casino is getting ready to reopen to the public. Royal River Casino and Hotel in Flandreau will welcome guests starting at 8 a.m. Friday.
The entertainment destination is taking several steps to keep people safe, including installing plexiglass dividers between each slot machine and at table games, and offering masks and gloves to guests. Meanwhile, staff will be required to wear personal protective equipment, and they'll undergo COVID-19 antibody testing before reopening.
It's just one more way to ensure that when guests come back to our property, they can feel safe and secure that we've taken every measure possible.
While the reopen to the public is on Friday, Royal River has allowed invited guests to come to the facility since late last week for its soft opening. Scott?
And in weather, we'll continue to watch the cloud cover in eastern Kettle Land move to the east as we go through the morning hours, and by the afternoon, it looks like we will have sunshine, if not a little sooner, in eastern Kettle Land. The clouds may remain a little thicker, though, across western South Dakota. And then for tonight, with clearing skies, temperatures will be cool. Numbers will fall to the 40s in many locations. Along with that, we'll have a decrease in wind speed. And then for the weekend, well, if you're starting early on Friday, you'll notice thicker cloud covering the western, southwestern South Dakota. We'll have to watch for developing rain showers that will fall mainly in the western, maybe south central South Dakota, an isolated thunder shower possible. And for some of us, it will even continue into Saturday morning and afternoon before leaving to the southeast. And for the most part, the rainfall amounts will remain light, but there may be a couple of areas that do approach a ½ inch. This rainfall outlook takes us through the day on Saturday. Forecast for today showing afternoon highs in the 60s across western South Dakota, 70s for just about everybody else. For your 7-day forecast details, including much warmer weather next week, go ahead and check it out while you're here at KELOLAND.com.
Thanks, Scott, and thanks for joining us for KELOLAND on the Go. Be sure to join us on air for midday in KELOLAND.
Until then, you can get up to the minute developments right here on KELOLAND.com. Now go have a great day.